So this is the first job that we have, which is in LTIM Cyber Warriors, which usually what they call. So LTI Mindtree is the company. The Mindtree is the company which is very famous. So they have 40 openings, right? Which is for the position of malware analysis, reverse engineering, and Java and Python developer basically. So they want all those people. Okay, they want you to be hired before 10th of September, right? And cybersecurity specialist passionate about protecting system data and people's. Swati.mittal3 at ITLTIMindtree.com is the mail on which you can drop your resume. That's what we have. Next opening is basically for the cybersecurity specialist. It's a remote job, and they want someone ideal candidate who can be responsible for system network data protection and all those things, right? Requirement is up to 35. Oh my god, they are hiring for UPSC or what? Maximum 35 years, right? 2 to 3 years of experience in cybersecurity. And if you're interested, you can drop a resume on iman.rafat@tarabotexpress.com, right? So this one be a good kind. This one can be a good opportunity for the people those who actually have freshers experience like 2 to 3 years. Usually I consider as fresher, right? Next is cybersecurity trainer. This is a DMart India. Khushi Bhatia something who is hiring. So the guy, this is for freshers, right? Freshers can join for this job role. And companies Avenue E-Commerce Limited, which called DMart Ready. This is in Powai, Mumbai. What you will do, you need to monitor and respond to the basic security incident, kind of SIEM monitoring and all. Then you need to assist vulnerability scan and risk management and all those things. What you bring bachelor in IT and CS, firewall, antivirus knowledge and all those things. So basically it's in Powai, Mumbai. So if you want to apply, you can drop a mail on khushi.bhatia@dmartindia.com and subject is application for cybersecurity trainer at Powai. So just mention this thing and you can, if you got selected, then you'll get a mail, right? Now next one is basically hiring as a SOC analyst, 1 to 3 years of experience required, immediate or after 15 days. It's a notice period. Notice period basically means, right, if you got selected, then within 15 days you need to join. So this is all like SOC, right? SOC is, guys, I really tell you, there's a lot of opening for the SOC peoples. What you need to do: monitor, analyze security alert and event, SIM, IDS, IPR, EDR, investigate and respond to the security incident, tries and all those things. So mail ID is VIEH group. No, this is not mail ID. This is something that we have for you. So basically, there's a batch where you can join and you can learn security operations center. So check out this URL vihguru.com/SOC. Now let's come to the job. Requirement is basically bachelor CS and IT cybersecurity knowledge, hands-on experience on SIEM tools, TCP/IP, OSI model, firewall, and all those knowledge is important. Python, PowerShell, cloud security, AWS, Azure, GCP, IM forensic knowledge is important. pusad@amiti.in is the mail on which you need to drop your resume, right? Next is Pragati Software Private Limited is looking for trainer, mentor, and consultant. Yes, this is basically for a lot of people. So these are the opportunity, right? Domain in which you can data science, net, Python, DevOps, big data, RPA, blockchain, IoT, cybersecurity, AI, project management. So if you want to provide training, they can hire you, right? This is mail ID divesh.purohit@pragatisoftware.com. They provide actually opportunity to enhance and all those whatever things they mentioned, right? It's more like uh, they're hiring for some good opportunities. Like if you want, you can apply, right? That is something good they have. Now the last opening, probably yes, this is last opening. Someone is hiring as an administrator cybersecurity. It's in Dubai, UAE. 3.5 years of experience required, immediate, and 25 days of preferred. 25 days is basically notice period. So they are looking for cybersecurity administration who have experience of 3 to 5 years, and they can manage and monitor and all those things, right? This is mail ID ns.k@techmantraglobal.com. So that's what we have. Thank you very much for watching. This is basically the SOC program if you want to join, and if you want to join, learn about web application pen testing, then you can check out this vihgroup.com/TCI. Right. So that's what we have. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day. If you have any questions, please ask. Jai Hind.